Jane now understands how to proceed with archival research. In her work, she has already come across some advantages and disadvantages of archival research. What are these? An essential advantage is the availability of a huge amount of data in one place. Given that other people might have researched this topic already, there are certain research approaches already available. This makes archival research easier for Jane. Jane sees it as an advantage that it's less painstaking to collect than primary research methods. Finally, it's a great advantage that the data is in an archive, so it's difficult to manipulate the data. But Jane does not only see advantages for archival research. Jane thinks it may be difficult to get access to restricted documents. This could be to save the valuable data from external influences or because the documents are confidential. Of course, archival research is also more cost-intensive than a conventional library visit. In addition to the fees for data access, travel costs are incurred, which also takes a lot of time. Jane notices that the data could be less detailed for documentation purposes, and some necessary variables might be missing. Given this, the data might not be representative. And finally, there is still a large number of unprocessed material, where a lot of time is needed to go through. Jane is looking for an example of archival research. Archival research is more used in combination with other strategies instead of on its own. However, an example of a case where archival research was the main strategy is shown by Patuelli and Miller. In 2015, they collected over 50 interviews from archives all over the US. They developed a software to filter the information from the collected interviews. The aim of the research was to create social network connections to musicians. Now Jane knows everything she needs to know about archival research, and she can go back to find her Tarzan.
Don't stop your crying, it will be alright. Just take my hand.